High-rise apartments stretch into the sky. Traffic lights flash with no traffic in sight. These are China's ghost cities. If you build it, they don't always come. Tracy Shelton, ABC News.
Welcome to Tianjin, the city that China forgot. Or did they? Tianjin, nicknamed the Shanghai of the North, is a modern financial epicenter of China, considered one of the top cities in the nation. After Shanghai and Beijing, it is the third largest municipality of China. It is also the most important manufacturing center and the leading port of North China. With a population of 16 million people and colonial history, this city is still little known to the West. Only 125 kilometers from Beijing, Tianjin is one of the largest harbor cities in northern China and is the industrial and transport hub for the capital. This is a powerful hub in the shadows of Beijing. Tianjin expects its GDP growth to reach 6.5% in 2021 compared to 1.5% in 2020. The service industry is the largest and fastest growing sector of Tianjin's economy, and major industries include equipment and high-tech manufacturing, crude oil production, petrochemical industries, textiles, car manufacturing, mechanical industries, and metalworking. This is a powerhouse of China. This city was once the colony of many Western countries in the 19th century. Thousands of colonial buildings are either still intact or have been recreated. Here at the former Italian concession, you can find authentic Italian food and European fine dining, nightclubs, and boutique shops. This multifunctional area integrates tourism, commerce, leisure, entertainment, and culture, which makes you feel as if you're in the old town of Marco Polo's hometown. More than 200 European buildings preserved intact. Tianjin's Catholic Church, or St. Joseph Cathedral, is a 45-meter-high Roman-style building and is the largest church in Tianjin. Built in 1917 by the French Catholic Church, is one of Tianjin's protected historical relics and landmarks. There are more than 7 train stations in Tianjin. They operate high-speed bullet trains and normal trains too, to megacities such as Beijing, Shanghai, and other provincial cities like Chengdu, Wuhan, Harbin, and many other Chinese cities. This is the principal railway station that was established in 1888 and restructured in 2008. And this century clock stands 40 meters high, representing the beginning of the Chinese modern industry in Tianjin and welcoming the new century. And this bridge is the only inclined pylon double-plane harp cable-stayed bridge in China. With a unique shape and complex twists and turns, it's Tianjin's landmark. And this is just one of the city's complex overpasses, layers of roads and ramps connecting bridges and exits, which eases the flow of traffic within this busy city. Welcome to the Yujiabu Financial District. Its CBD, which is modeled loosely on Manhattan, is comprised of around 100 new buildings set across an area of 3.8 million square meters. Yujiabu is being billed as the future center of global finance. Yet, if the media reports are to be believed, this is one of China's infamous ghost cities. China has invested a massive $30 billion and turned marshland into an ambitious new urban development project. Never underestimate the Chinese. And this is a super tall skyscraper completed in 2019 and a striking new landmark. This 530-meter tall skyscraper houses offices, 300 service apartments, and a 5-star hotel. The 7th tallest building in the world and the 3rd tallest in China, this is indeed a modern design marvel at an estimated cost of $750 million. One of the major icons in the city, a 120-meter tall Ferris wheel built on top of a bridge. The Ferris wheel has a diameter of 120 meters. You can enjoy the view within 40 kilometers. That's like being on the 35th floor of a building. A skyline that is impossible to miss. When the city lights up at night, Tianjin is more than meets the eye.